just came back from Toronto for a 1-week conference in Toronto, hanging out with the top 1% of real estate agents in North America. So anyway, I'm coming back here, back in town, heading back to the office, and I just picked up a group of cash buyers looking to buy homes here in the area. So you're looking to buy homes, a group of cash buyers looking to buy anything below $2 million, anything below $2 million in Los Angeles, Alhambra, San Gabriel, Hacienda Heights, Walnut, anywhere in LA and Orange County, single family house, anywhere in Orange County. I get a group of cash buyers looking to buy a home, cash, multiple offers for your home in less than a week, basically, right? Imagine if you are thinking, who do you know is thinking of selling your home? Right now, I got a group of cash buyers. In my database, I already have about 52,000 buyers looking to buy homes here in the area. But I just came back from this conference, pick up a group of cash buyers nationwide and Canada, looking to buy a home, single family house, condo, anywhere in LA, Orange County, anything below $2 million, guaranteed cash offer for your home. So all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. Just came back from Toronto, pick up a group of cash buyers looking to buy homes here in Los Angeles. So this is how it's going to work. When you call me at 626-789-0159, my team is going to set up a 45-minute appointment. And the 45 minutes appointment is to go over exactly what about your home. So we're going to set up a 45 minutes appointment at your home. We need to take a look at your home, and then we're going to do a search and match of buyers in our database. So we are not going to do, so your home is going to sell as is. Imagine that, right? So as is, no open house. No need to do open house. Imagine in 15 minutes window of time, what would happen to your net bottom line if I bring in a group of buyers, cash buyers, multiple offers in 15 minutes. So we're gonna meet for 45 minutes to go over the plan, and then once we meet, then I'm gonna do a search out of my buyers in waiting database, and then we're gonna set up a 15 minutes window of time. So Saturday at 1 or Sunday at 3. We are not gonna kick you. I'm not gonna kick you out of your own home. So for 15 minutes, we're gonna bring all the buyers. Now think about it. If you're selling your home, what would happen if in 15 minutes window of time, you bring in a group of buyers looking to buy homes in your area? So in negotiation, when we teach our clients, the owner of the house, in negotiation, how do you have more leverage in negotiation? Well, you need to be able to create an environment that people want your home. Now, the good news in my team now, we already have over 52,000 buyers in my database, not to include the group in Toronto. So the group in Toronto that I just came back on, each one, so collectively, we are talking about almost 1 million buyers in waiting. So imagine that, right? So over 1 million of buyers looking to buy homes here in the area, in Los Angeles, San Gabriel, Alhambra, Temple City, Walnut, Hacienda Heights, Irvine, Orange County. So imagine that. So in 15 minutes window of time, we're gonna bring in all the buyers to come take a look at your home. And if you have not familiar, if you've never been to YouTube, go to YouTube. You can see our comment below. I'm gonna give you the link. We don't believe in doing open house. Open house is a passive way, is a very passive way to attract buy. I mean, you know, you are waiting, you're hoping the buyer's gonna come in, and you are relying on that offer one-on-one. There is no leverage. There is no leverage in that, right? So so they're gonna beat you up on price, basically, if that's what you do. And once we bring in all the buyers in 15 minutes window of time, then that's how we get your home sold. Hey, May. So May here just walking. So today, what day is today, May?
Today is massive training.
Today is every day is training here in the office. But today what day is today? I forgot.
Today is Thursday.
Thursday, sorry. Thursday at 8 o'clock. Thursday at 8 o'clock in the parking lot here with me. So I was doing a video talking about, I just came back from Toronto, pick up a group of cash buyers looking to buy homes here in LA, Orange County, anything below $2 million. We are not doing any open house. That's a waste of time. That's not good for the owner of the house. Open house, think about it. Open house, the traditional open house, you are letting some random people who may or may not qualify to buy a home come to your home.
Correct.
So here in our system, we have about 52,000 buyers looking to buy homes in the area. So when you're ready to get your home sold, for a 15 minutes window of time, we bring in all the buyers coming at the same time.
Correct.
What would happen, May, if we bring in all multiple offers in a short period of time? If you are thinking of selling your home, we have a group of buyers coming in. What would happen to?
I will have a lot of options to choose from. I will have a lot of offers.
Yes, it's kind of common sense, right? But it's amazing how traditional real estate agents hoping the buyer's gonna come in. So let's see. Are we starting now? Are we 8 o'clock now?
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Okay. Hang on, let me. Bob, we're gonna do the training next door. All right, guys. So here early in the morning, every day, 8 o'clock, right? So anything that's good here in our office, we do it every day. This is Ben. Check it out. Ben, Benedict. So we are doing a video, Ben, about our buyers in waiting. I just came back from Toronto last night, and in our database, we have about 52,000 buyers looking to buy.
Correct.
And then in Toronto, I met this group of buyers, top agents in North America. So now we have about 1 million buyers in waiting database looking to buy homes anywhere in LA and Orange County. All cash, right? All cash, no hassle, no open house, as is. So if you're thinking of selling your home, call 626-789-0159. And that's what we're going to talk about this morning.
Okay.
Right? This morning is making sure that every single one of the home, multiple offer, sold as is, no repairs. We just do a search and match within our database. We leverage technology using what's called the artificial intelligence to do a search in our database. Right? That's the big plan. So right now we are looking. Who do you know? Who do you know is thinking of selling your home in the next 3 to 6 months anywhere in LA and Orange County? And we have all cash buyers, multiple offers for your home in sold as is, no repairs. In the first week, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. And this is what happened when you call. When you call, we need to book an appointment to see your home. It takes about 45 minutes to go over the plan. After that, then we need to set up a 15 minutes window showing time. For 15 minutes, we're going to bring in all the buyers coming into your home. Multiple offers. Then you decide, you as the owner of the house, and you decide what you're going to do when you have that multiple offers. You can pick and choose. You can pick and choose who you wanna sell your home to, right? So it's a simple game plan because we already have that buyers in waiting. There is no nonsense about open house. We are not gonna waste your time doing that. We are not gonna kick you out of your own home. Nothing. So it's a simple plan. But if you are not thinking of selling your home, do not call. Right? If you're just curious, you're just wondering how much my home for, well, you don't need to. You want to know how much your home sold for, then just go online and you look it up, right? But if you want to net more money, than what your neighbor home sold for, call me. And the reason you're going to net more money is because we have multiple, if we bring in all the buyers, if you follow our system, if you're just coming up with your own thing, then it's not going to work, right? If you follow our system, I'm going to bring in a very short period of time a group of cash buyers to your home, then that's how you generate multiple offers. You have only one house to sell. I bring in multiple offers to your home. What would happen to the price of your home, right? So it's a simple game plan. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.